Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a bit of an unboxing from point of view. Yeah, I look crazy today, but we're getting a video out and we got a new bag, so let's make this quick and jump right into it. So yeah, I got a bag and it is from Marni. Some people will say that I bought this bag just for the name Umani. Most of my friends and family call me Mani for short, and here we are. So I've been eyeing this bag for quite some time, maybe a little over a year, and yeah, I finally got it. Don't mind my broken nail, but whatever. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I got the Marni Tropicalia micro bag, I think it is. It is so stinking cute. I've been wanting this bag for so long. It is absolutely stunning. It's so small, so cute. It comes with a crossbody strap, so let's just take out these things. So yeah, let's see how my phone fits in this. You know, I like to see what fits. So phone, I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It doesn't really fit like that, but most time my phone's in my hand, but a little drop-in isn't too bad. What else do I bring with me? My wallet, it drops perfectly down into that, and yeah, my AirPods drops down there. If my phone is in my hand, it's just my wallet, my AirPods, and probably some sort of lip thing. For this video's sake, this is the closest thing to my hand. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. It fits right down in it. It has the crossbody strap, and if you just want to throw that on top of there, you hold it by the arm, or you want to link this over and do a crossbody, that is fine. I absolutely love it. Holds the essentials. I'm pretty sure you can throw a tampon, pad, whatever. That's the only other thing I could think of that I would actually throw in here. Yeah, so details on the inside, it has a small pocket there. I don't know what could hold in here. A stick of gum, lip gloss, your credit card if you don't want to walk with an entire wallet. This is cool. I think this holds it together, so I think you would have thread this through here and then bring that through there and snap it. Oh, the leather's a bit hard to do that, but it would snap like that. I rather not. I rather it just stay down. And then it has the little Marni tag at the back there, and there's no more pockets, so this is your only little slip pocket where you can put a card, and you have this part where you can close the bag. But I'm not gonna do that, of course. My bag's always on me. I'm always aware of my surroundings, so ain't no thing but a chicken wing. I've been eyeing this bag for a long time, and that's how I knew I should have gotten it. I got it on Satir. I would tell you guys to shop Satir with a grain of salt. Their return policy for some of them isn't that great. Do your research on Satir. It was cheaper there. Instead of paying $700 and whatever, I think it came down to $3 something. So Satya, basically it gives you the UK, well, the European prices, but their return policy, as I've read when I did my research, is a bit tricky because they don't have their own stock. They source them from the retailers. So yeah, that is about it for this video. Beautiful, beautiful Marni bag. So happy to have her in my collection. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.